Okay, I'm now using my cell phone to record this instead of doing the live YouTube stream. So sorry, this is going to be part 2 of the Alienware computer. Did not mean to be like that, but the data connection here is not the best. It does go in and out. So, this is what I got. And I was just in the middle of pulling it out when that happened, so I don't know what part of the story you guys heard or didn't hear. But the shop basically, they were like, yeah, Swift did not buy this laptop. I mean, everybody kind of know that. So, trying to do this with one hand, guys, is not easy. Hopefully, I never lose an arm because I'll be screwed. We'll just throw that up there out of the way. I've not opened this box yet, guys. I have no idea what I'm about to see, except it is going to be freaking fabulous. Yes, I used the word fabulous. Yeah, student. Okay, so how do we open this, guys? Dun 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 dun. I guess you just shove this in here. I was just thinking that. If you didn't hear my student, he just said, "That's what she said." Oh my God, it's upside down. Okay, well, I guess it doesn't matter. It's upside down. It's upside down, guys. So, this be the lid. That be the bottom. Well, at least it's in a foam pad, so. Oh God, that's heavy. Alright. That's the top. I got the black. Here's something. I guess that's the power cord. God, that is literally a brick, guys. That is heavy as hell. Alright, so we'll just put that off to the side and reclose that up. I can't believe I opened up this box upside down. I guess that's going to be the booklet and stuff. We'll just leave that up there. So, what we were supposed to see was this sitting in here like this. Okay, and boom, 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 you'd see it. There's the lid. That's the way it should have worked. That's not the way it did work. What's this here? So, okay. Just basic info. Let's take a look on this box. See if there's like a spec sheet somewhere for you guys to see. So, there's that. And the bottom, maybe? Nope. They don't put the specs on here for you. Anyway, it is the i9 with the 32 gigs of memory, killer Wi-Fi. I'll put all the specs in the description. But this is all you're going to see for right now. I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to start setting up my brand new i9 computer from Alienware. Hell yeah, guys. I'm really going to be able to get some oh, hold on. I want to do this. So, here's the two laptops side by side. There's that one, and there's that one. Open up this one. Screen is going to come alive. Yeah, that's the top. Woo-hoo. And then here's this one. So this one sits much higher. And they're about the same. Sits up higher. But they're really kind of about the same thickness, guys. I mean, this one is a little bit thicker, but not by much. But yeah, it's definitely deeper. I mean, we can see the difference like that. And this was my workhorse for a long time, and yes, it's dirty. I know. It's okay. This is not dirty yet. Alright, you guys don't need to watch me do that. But, thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out, especially a lot of 4K! So, hit me up. I just dropped a bunch of dough on this. Please pound that subscribe button. Please help me. See ya. Boom.